Okay, so today I'll be doing my hair first before I go ahead and do the makeup. Okay, so devil tried to came to me last night, but I said no, nothing is going to stop me from today. It's tutorial. I actually lost the part of the video where I was doing my wig installation and my foundation part, but I said it is what it is. I'll go ahead and do this tutorial today. So I've already installed my hair. I'm sure you guys have seen like 2 or 3 videos from me where I did my wig installation, so you can click it, check the description box and check the way I do my wig installation. Okay, so now I'm just using my comb to like push everything back. I don't want everything to be sitting on my skin. So now I realize while combing that the front part is not properly secured, is not properly installed. I'll go ahead and take my spray and just spray a little bit to secure that part properly. So after I've done that, I'll go ahead and grab my stuff and just tap it lightly, okay, to secure that part. Then I'll continue with it. So now what I'm just doing is just to use my tail comb to secure the pattern, the side that I want the wig to go. I don't want to do my normal center part, straight line and all those stuff. Okay, so I'm just trying to do like curve or C part. Okay, so now what I'm just doing now is to go ahead and grab my curly wand and just press the air, so the air is not going to fall to the right or fall to the left, so it can secure and give me the side that I want. So after I've done that, I'm still using, then I'll go ahead and grab my wax and just secure it properly. Then the wax is also going to help me to take away all the flyaways and make sure that the air is well pressed. So now I'm just using my wand to press it after I've used my wax. So this is the side that I said I lost the foundation part, but the foundation I use for this video is my black Opal stick, and I use the shade Rich Caramel. So now I will leave you guys to enjoy the music and I will come back shortly. So I have the list of everything I use in this tutorial in the description box. Okay, so I'm sure you guys have seen me do this like a couple of times. Okay, okay, so guys, to set my under eye, I'll be using my press powder. And guys, if you can see, when you grab your powder, you don't want to go directly under your eye. You can just do it from below and take it upward. Okay, just the way I'm doing in this video. You can see I'm taking the building blender from below upward. Don't grab your building blender with your powder, your setting powder, your loose powder, everything, and just go directly under your eye. No, you're going to have a crease under eye. Just do it gently, okay? Go from below, then straight up under your eye. Okay, so to do my under, so for my high tutorial today, I'll be using my this. I will be using this palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm using the light one, the light brown, all over my as my transitional shade. Okay, so now I'm using this blending brush. Okay, now to do my crease, I'll be using these two brushes in between themselves. You can see the black one is my blending brush. Okay, that's the blending brush. The mouth is not as wide as the first one that I used, and this white one is called blending brush. Okay, precise blending brush is like pencil. Okay, you can call it like pencil brush. Okay, because the mouth is pressed together and close together as one. It's not like the black one that I just show you guys. So I'm using the black one to get my crease, to cut my crease. Okay, your crease is where your eye is divided, like the upper part and the lower part, where your upper part of the eye and your lid is divided into two. Like when you try to close your eyes, that place that the skin go inward, that's your crease line. So I'm using the black one to divide my eye into two. So to have to cut a proper crease, you want to be sure that you are getting your crease line. And if you have hooded eyes or you have a small eyes, you don't have enough lid, you can just take your eyeshadow a little bit upper, a little bit above your crease line. Do you guys get? So let me come again. If you have hooded eyes or you have a small eyes, then you want to cut your crease. Okay, so to have a open lid, just make sure that you take your brush above, you take your eyeshadow with your brush above your crease, and that will help you to open up your eyes, and it will give you this illusion that, oh, your eyes is a little bit wider or a little bit bigger. Okay, so now I'm using this small brush to cut my crease, and to do that I'm using my foundation. Okay, I'm using this foundation from Maybelline, and I'm using the shade 130. You can see I'm just like dividing my eyes into two. So now I'll go ahead and do the second eye. So when you're cutting your crease, you don't want to rush it. Okay, just take your time and do it gently. It is not easy. Okay, practice makes perfect. So now what I'm doing is I want my lid to be a bit open, so I'll go ahead and lift it up. Okay, so I'm just doing the two eyes in between each. I don't want to finish one eye and come back again. And the purpose of doing the two eyes together is because the concealer might dry, and I don't want that. I don't want to finish one eye and come back again, because before I finish the other eye, the first eye I've done will be so dry, and I don't want that. I want everything to go hand in hand. So for today's crease, I'm doing the outward one. So I'll try and extend it outward. So now I'm just trying to get my inner corner eye. Okay, so I'm doing the same thing for the second eye. So after I've gotten the shape that I desire, I'll go ahead and use my concealer all over the lid. Okay, so I'm just trying to be sure that the two, there is no much different. Okay, we are all beginners, we are all learning. Okay, if you do it the first time and you don't get the perfect shade, don't give up, keep doing it. Okay, I like doing dramatic look. I like doing something. I like to challenge myself. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not like so stagnant with one color or something. I like to play with colors. So just try and play with colors. Makeup is so easy. Just, you will get it. You will get it. Okay. So I'll be using this light pink all over my lid. Okay. You can see I didn't extend the pink eyeshadow to the line where I cut my crease. And the purpose of doing that is because I want to use a precise brush. I'm using the same brush that I used to cut my crease, and I'll be using it to apply the eyeshadow. So now I went ahead and did my eyeliner off the camera. The eyeliner is not sharp the way I want it, so I'll go ahead and grab this concealer from LA Girl, the Cool Tan. This shade is close to my skin tone, so I'm just using it to blend the concealer. Okay, so now I'm trying to contour my nose. Then after doing that, I'll go ahead and grab my black eyeliner. I don't know the eyeliner I'm using, but I'll try and put all the product I'm using to this tutorial into the description box. Then after that, grab my hydro setting spray and spray the whole of my eyes. Okay, then grab my handy fan and just fan my face. So now I'm using my blush. Okay, and I'm using this orange blush. I'm using the same one color from the palette. Okay, so everything I did today, I use this just palette. Okay, so guys, don't be like, oh, I don't have all the products. You can do makeup and still look cute with whatever you have. Okay, so now I'm using this gloss. This gloss is so beautiful and it's so pigmented, and it's from LA Girl. Okay, it's like $2 or $3, and look at the gloss, how cute it is. Okay, so after that, I use my highlighter. Okay, the highlighter is giving me like, oh girl, oh girl. So when you apply your highlighter, you can always go back with your brush. So I went ahead and grab my powder brush and just blend it. So it will look as if the highlighter is sitting on my skin, like it's coming out. So it's blended with the foundation, the blush, highlight, everything is blended together. Okay, you don't want to apply your makeup and you go and people can say, oh, I can see the line of your blush, I can see the line no, everything should blend together and look as if, oh, they are stepping out of your skin. Okay, so now guys, we'll go back and fix the hair, and we're almost coming to the end of the tutorial. Okay, I see I have new subscriber. Thank you guys so much for joining your baby girl. Okay, I have a lot of amazing content for you. So if you're just seeing this girl for the very first time, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and be part of the family. Okay, thanks so much. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys so very much, and don't forget to click on the bell, because that bell will make you to be the first person to get notified whenever I have a new video. Okay, I love you guys so much. If you like what you've seen today, join the family. Okay, join the family. So now I'll go ahead and grab the same foundation that I use and blend it into the hairline. So it will give me the illusion that, oh, this is your hair, the hair is coming from your scalp. Okay, okay. So now I'll go ahead and grab my alt comb and just blend everything together. Okay. So guys, go ahead and give your comment in the comment section below. Like my video, okay? Please, guys. I know you're watching. Click on the like button. Share. So now go ahead and put some spray into my hand and just blend it so everything can secure. So baby girl can be on fire throughout the day. Okay, the hair is not going anywhere. The skin is on point. The makeup, the crease is properly cut, and the gloss is giving me some vibes. Okay guys, this look is from 0 to 100. Don't argue with me. Okay, so now, okay, see, your girl is back. Okay, give us. So the perfume of the day is, guess, you know the name, right? You can see the name. Okay, Carolina Herrera. I'm sure I didn't murder the name. Okay, I just know the Carolina part. Carolina Herrera. I think I'm right. Okay, this perfume is, ooh, this is the second bottle I'll be using. I finished the first bottle, but I like the smell. Everything is so sweet. It's so spicy. So I grabbed the second. The first one I actually bought, my husband bought it for me. I think maybe the last Valentine, and I like it. I won't stop using it. So the second one, I bought it myself because it's one of my favorite perfume. Okay, girl, look at the highlighter. So I quickly did some selfie for you guys. Okay, give me my clap. Okay, clap, girl. Okay.